Morning, welcome back. It's been a few days, been quite busy, so preparation for Laos and stuff, so been quite busy. Today we're doing a run through today, off to the hill we've been recently, not really because we necessarily want to go there, but need to try a couple of the guys up the hills, up the trails, just to get them thinking, get them riding a bit tougher. Tonight we're going to set up basic stuff. Again, emergency setup really for something goes wrong. So that's the plan for today. There should be a few of us. I think it's about 7 of us going today. So it's a good amount. Should be interesting, and hopefully you'll follow along. Today's bike. Today again, using the Honda Wave 110 EFI. And today's setup slightly different today. Still got the side bags, not really need them to be honest, but again it's just sort of making sure everything's fitting before we head off into Laos. So I've got the side bags on with minimal kit in there. The fuel container's carrying fuel today. There's a fuel shortage because of what's happening in the Middle East. So I'm carrying another extra 3 litres. 3 litres, full tank and 3 litres will do me 450 kilometres, so that'll be enough for there and back for this weekend. Got my 40 litre on the bag, on the back, on my frame, goes back and forwards. Underneath, just got a grill. So tonight probably gonna have an open fire, put some steaks or some chicken on. Like I said, got some fuel on the sides. Everything's pretty much the same. Everything in terms of what I normally take, the GPS, cameras on the front there. In the front, the 20 litre bag, got a chair, my admin bag, and some other thing. I forgot what it is now. But normal stuff, no different with the setup. 3 litres of water, and my normal admin pack up. So that's pretty standard in terms of what I'm taking. And that's the. Oh, you might notice the stickers are new, and there's a new front panel on here. Yeah, new front panel, took it off, cost me all of £2, so outrageous. That's the setup for today, and I'll keep you informed as we go along.
I don't know if you can hear me, but we've just come from the hottest day of this year. I know we've just been caught in this massive monsoon. It's so bad the car can't even move.
International rescue.
Unbelievable.
Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Just like being at the beach.
It's like a day at the beach, yeah. Mate, can you come back? Come here.
There we go.
He's Adrian.
It's wet, but the wood is burnt. And then hopefully we should have a nice quiet evening with a glass of wine and some steak. So good morning, we're all back. Boys are up. Rob's just got up. It's a bit hazy this morning, as you can see. Just gotta have a look around the area. We threw this up last night. Nice and cool, Rich.
All good.
Yeah, good man. Comfortable. Not too bad.
Sleeping mattress. Oh shit.
Yeah. You see the one I got from the UK. It's about a foot wider than that. That's bigger lads, you know.
You have to blow it up in the middle of the night.
I started heading off down the hill a bit. Slipping down. Worked though. My little setup for last night. There's my thing. Had me phone last night, just didn't need it. It was just pretty fresh. Robert and Mark. Whew. Good kit.
Spot on, man. Absolutely spot on.
Fresh, wasn't it? About
Fucking snap, yeah.
yeah.
Hey, do you get it, Mark? Yeah, I'm woke up.
Yeah, we'll give it. Fair enough. About 6:30. We'll just see the sun coming over the top. It's Tony looking all fit this morning. You alright, mate?
Morning.
It's just called swag man or swag bag. Swag man. What's this called?
It's called a goose wingman.
Ah, wingman. Yeah.
Goose wingman motorbike.
You open up the thing, mate. Just show us the stuff. She's got mosquito net, and I think it comes with a built-in mattress and everything, doesn't it? Yeah.
Built-in mattress. Everything's complete.
Yeah, self-contained unit. So Tony's using the motor wolves on the side again. Tony's on the way. He's just getting his breakfast. Good to see. And Bank bought a tent. Fair enough. But we were using last night. We were using minimal kit. Basically emergency shelters, and Bank's got his little tent. He's not going to Laos, unfortunately. There's Richard sporting the new t-shirt, or the new long sleeve shirt. And Bank is over there. He's actually he's got the drone up, so we'll be seeing that later. Looks like they've burnt all the crappy grass off the top. Oh, you can see the trail down there actually as it goes up through. There it is. Down through the valley. I don't know if you can see it actually. There's the drone going up. Be interesting to see what's down through that valley there. There's another bike next to us here. Believe it or not, these guys are not part of the group, but one thing you can pick up now in Thailand, there's a lot of people doing this small bike adventure camping, and I would say a lot of it's down to what we've done from the start. This type of camping, we were probably the first really to actually do this off-road sort of hardcore stuff. Not really hardcore, but you know, a bit hardcore, getting out there in your country, camping, having a look at what's around. And there's quite a lot of people sort of followed on. You can see the bike there, that bike, very similar to our bike. And I do know that we were the first guys to be modifying the waves really to this extent to get them able to do the job, you know.
Goes all in, huh? In case you got a break from race.